What's up, Mavericks? Erica Seppala here from Merchant Maverick. If your business has more than one location, Square makes it easy to manage everything under one account. So in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you exactly how to add multiple locations in Square so you can track and control everything from a single dashboard. So let's get to it. This is actually really quick and easy to do. You just need to know what menu to go to in order to access your location. So we're going to start on the main Square dashboard. We're going to navigate over to this left menu and we're going to click on Settings. From there, we're going to go to the top drop down, Account and Settings, click on that, and then go down to My Business, click on that, and at the bottom of the list, we want to click on Locations. So once this screen pulls up, it's going to show any location that you've already created. We are going to focus on creating a new location. So we're going to go to the Create Location button located in the top right corner. We're going to click on that and it's going to pull up some information. Now we're going to need to go through each of these fields to see if we need to add anything or change anything in order to create this new location. So we start off with the location business name. We're going to keep this the same. If yours is different, you're going to want to go in and change this. And then you can go in and you can add a location nickname. So we'll say, and you can go in on the business names, nicknames, business description, anything that fits your business, anything that's going to make it easy for you to distinguish between locations. That's how you're going to want to name it and describe it. Under the business description, we just have Day Spa, so we'll just say Day Spa Eastside location. Then you're going to go down to business address. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on this drop down. You have the option to choose either a mobile location or a physical location. We're going to say this is a physical location, and we're going to go in and edit the address. We're going to want to make sure the city, state, and zip code are correct. Then we're going to go to contact information. If you want to change the email here, you can do that. If you want to add or change a phone number here, you can also do that. Then we have social contact. So this is your website, your X profile, Facebook, and Instagram. Now, you may already have this filled in for your main location. And if you use the same profiles for all locations, you can keep that the same. But I have noticed that some stores, restaurants, and things like that have different profiles for different locations. So you want to go in here and make sure you have accurate information. We're just going to leave these blank because this is not a real company and we do not have websites and things set up. So then you're going to scroll down to branding so you can customize your customer facing touch points. This includes invoices, receipts, checkout screens, and things like that. If you do want to go in and edit, you're just going to click on the little pencil icon, click on edit. And then you can go in, you can change your logos, your colors, you can go in and edit your receipts, your invoices, and things like that. We're going to just assume that everything across all of our locations is exactly the same. So we're not going to touch anything here. We're just going to exit out of that. But you can go in there and you do have the option to update that information. So the next section is business hours. You can click on the drop down and select your time zone. And then you can go in and you want to make sure that your hours for this location are accurate. Some businesses, their different locations have different hours. So again, you just want to go in and you want to make sure all of this is correct. If it isn't, you can go in and easily change it just by clicking on these fields. If you're closed, for example, if we're closed on Tuesdays, we're just going to uncheck this and it'll put it as closed. So we'll just leave all of this as is. I'm going to scroll down, and so then you can enter your bank information. So all payments for this location will be transferred into the account of your choosing, and you can add a transfer tag as well. Then you can set your preferred language, and then you have the option to match your item library from another location. So if you have multiple locations and they all offer the same products, you can just go in here and select one of those locations, and it will import everything, your items, your modifiers, your taxes, everything else in your item settings. Now, if you have different products or services at this location, you're not going to want to set this. You're going to have to go in and do everything manually. So we're not going to match an item library right now. We're just going to assume that everything is different, and we have to do that manually. So once we've made sure that everything is correct, we're going to go in and we are going to click save. It's going to pop up if there's something with your address. It's going to give you a suggested address. This is a completely made up one, so I'll just go with what I entered and click use this address. And then now, as you can see, we're back to our locations, and the day spot east side physical location has been added to our list here at the top. So now on the screen, you can go in and you can filter your locations. So right now it's showing our active locations. You can show all of your locations. We have some that are inactive here, or just your inactive locations. Now, if you decide to close a location, that's really easy to handle too. The one that we just created, we're going to go on here, we're going to click it, we're going to click on edit location. And at the top, we do have the option, if we change our hours or we entered a phone number incorrectly, you can go back in here. This is the same screen that we were on before. You can make those changes and you can click save. Now, if we have closed this location and we no longer want this to show up, all we're going to do is in the top right corner, we're going to click on deactivate. It's going to confirm that we want to deactivate this location. And you see that it is now on the inactive list. If we go back to our active, we no longer have that location on there. And that's it. Now you've got all of your locations running under one Square account. It's really quick and easy. The only thing that I will say is just to make sure all of your information is accurate. If you do make a mistake, it's really easy to go in and update everything. Thanks for watching, Mavericks, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.